Well, this is the news that is coming in this morning. Actor Dhanush has appeared at Madras High Court before the Madurai bench over a paternity battle. An elderly couple have initiated legal proceedings claiming Dhanush is their biological son. They've demanded 65,000 rupees as maintenance. The couple has mentioned several birthmarks as identification, and shortly the verification of these marks will begin. It is indeed an interesting case that's come to light in the court. My colleague Akshaya, who's joining me at the moment. So, in fact, give us more details of the couple as well. And according to them, Dhanush's real name is Kalai Selvan. They also enrolled him in school. They paid for his education. What happened thereafter?
Well, Davina, the elderly couple are claiming that Kalai Selvan or alias Dhanush is their son, and they're saying that the original name of Dhanush is Kalai Selvan, and that he had been sent to Chennai for pursuing his career in the film industry, and later it was seen that once he had a flourishing career, he did not return back to the village where the parents belong to, is the kind of claim that the parents have given right now. And they're saying that as a compensation, Dhanush will have to pay them a monthly allowance of rupees 65,000 as maintenance charge because they've brought him up, and right now they're also claiming that they have certain identification marks which they've told the Madurai bench of the Madras High Court, and today Dhanush has appeared before the Madurai bench of the Madras High Court to verify those claims of the parents. Identification test will be done very shortly. 10:30 the session started, and within minutes after that Dhanush had entered the court, and also right now the case is in progress is what we're being told right now, Davina.
Well, they've also claimed their birth certificates, their photographs that they have shared with the media as well, and they've said that Dhanush left and changed his name and adopted a stage name, that is Dhanush, and when he hit big in the film industry, he has not gone back to his parents. Now, what is the counter that Dhanush's side is saying?
Well, Davina, the Dhanush's side have been telling regularly and repeatedly that this is a false charge that is being filed, and it's some kind of a mistaken identity that is going on. In the earlier sittings also, he had mentioned about how he is not their son, and also he had also brought in documents of his parental details talking about his parents and how he is from a film fraternity, and there is a mistaken identity. And in fact, Dhanush's calm, composed stature of visiting the Madurai bench of the Madras High Court for this hearing itself shows the fact that he's very confident about the stand that he's taking, and this is a kind of a mistaken identity as he's mentioned, Davina.
All right, there could be a DNA test possibility as well as the case proceeds ahead according to law. Thanks so much, Akshaya, for joining us for this moment.